Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you this much cryptocurrency in your wallet or NAS, and the first way you can here register yourself. The website link available in description. Registration is very easy. Just I show you the withdrawal. Okay, how you can withdraw from here. Okay, you can choose your currency. You can put your Faucet Pay email address, and this is the minimum withdraw from here. Okay, and the thing is, the Faucet Pay is right now in monetization. Don't worry, this will be open, and after opening you can withdraw your free cryptocurrency. Okay, the first way is this Faucet. Okay, just click your Faucet. You can claim this much LTC every 60 minutes. You can just click it and collect your free LTC. Okay, and this is reward for LTC. Okay, just wait for 10 seconds. Okay, just click get reward. Just solve this capture and just please wait, and after 60 seconds you can come back and claim again. Okay, just reload the page, and you can see. And the next way you can earn much more from here is the surfing ads. You can surfing ads, just watch this advertisement. This will be pay you Litecoin. Okay, you can choose your manually cryptocurrency what you want to mine. Okay, if you choose Litecoin, you can claim Litecoin. If you choose Ethereum, you can claim Ethereum. Right now I choose Litecoin. Go to surfing hats. This is surfing hats. You can just click it, watch 7 seconds, and you can earn your free cryptocurrency. The next one is the short links. Okay, every 24 hours you can come back and visit the all short links available in here, and you can earn your free cryptocurrency. The next one is the offer walls. You can just complete the offers, and this much points you get, and this will be pay you $1 with 500 points. Okay, and this all you can put your advertisement too in here if you want. You can go to your dashboard, or you can go to your affiliate. Affiliate is paying your percentage of the people come here, join in, and claim your free cryptocurrency from here. This will be pay you affiliate receiving 25% of the Faucet, 20% of the surfing ads, offer walls, and the short links 10%. Okay, and any cryptocurrency other people can join, and this is your referral link. Copy and paste your friends. Those will be come join this website. You can earn your free commission. The next step is just subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Okay, bye bye for now.